Well, I'm getting rid of the pine flakes bedding in the chicken coop, and I'm switching to sand. All-purpose sand, to be exact. Got the coop cleaned out, and we're gonna see how this works out. Needs a few more bags of sand to get a nice thick layer, but I think it's gonna work a lot better. Now I just gotta hope the chickens, they're pretty leery to go inside right now. I'll try to harvest my garlic before this rainstorm comes, because they're calling for some rainy days. I feel like it's ready to harvest right now, and it's nice and dry, so I think that'll help it to cure better. Just use this fork to loosen up the soil, and then, oh, pretty good roots. These Polish red hardneck garlic, pretty impressive root structure, and even if you don't get a good garlic bulb, they're still nice as a cover crop. I'll be planting beans after I harvest this row. I'm gonna like this soil. Got the garlic hanging up in the garage with a fan blowing on it. Hopefully in a couple weeks it'll be cured up. Cut the tops and store them inside. Texas 1015Y harvest in middle of June. Well, here it is, June 19th, and this Brunswick cabbage has made a pretty big head. It was a cooler spring, so it was able to produce.